Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the length of a cube whose volume is given. So I will actually, for this particular question, to find the length, actually I just need to cube root this, and because they want us to write in index notation, and so if I cube root this, it will give me 20. And if I were to show in prime factorisation, this will actually give me 2 to the power of 6 times 7 power 3. And therefore, if I cube root this, I will be able to break this into 3 groups of 2 power 2 times 7. And eventually that will be the answer for this question in index notation. Part B, find the total surface area of this cube, where I will have each side 2 square times 7, 2 square times 7, and therefore the total surface area is equals to 2 square times 7 times 2 square times 7. That's one area. But how many sides? How many faces are there? 6 faces, so I times 6. And that will give me 4,704 cm square. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.